If you're on social media, there's no way you haven't heard of TikTok. And you might have seen people buying products impulsively just because a product went viral on TikTok. It doesn't matter how silly that seems. In fact, TikTok is by far one of the most popular marketplaces in the whole world, having 1.5 billion active users monthly. And over 30% of them use TikTok ads actively. So, for a WooCommerce store owner, TikTok can be a gem of a marketplace to sell products on. And you can use Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce to create feeds for TikTok ads. Let's have a look at how that works. So, to create a WooCommerce product feed for TikTok ads, you need to have Product Feed Manager installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. So, I've already done that, and now I'm going to go to the All Product Feeds option here. Since you can see that I don't have any product feeds created yet, I'm just going to click on Add New Feed. So here we already have a template created for you guys, which is TikTok ads. So if you click on this, you'll see the necessary attributes that we need for creating a TikTok ads product feed is already here. So basically the first required attribute is SKU ID. So SKU is basically a unique ID that's assigned to each product for inventory management system. Now, the other attribute is the product title attribute. Then we have the product description. Then we have the stock status, the product condition, the product pricing, the product URL, main image or a featured image of the product, the manufacturing, and Google product category. So here now you can edit each attribute using this edit option. So let's click on this. You can see that the SKU is assigned to the SKU value, and you can edit the output filter however you want. You can also optimize the product title. So if you click on this, it's done. If you click on this, you can edit the product title however you want. So if you want, you can add the pricing along with the product title. If you want to remove space from your product titles, you can do that as well. You can also edit your product titles however you want with this. So I'm going to keep it in the default. And if you want, you can add specific title here so that your user can see that while you're displaying that on TikTok ads. Then we have the product description. If you want, you can add this from here. You can add the product description of the parent product. You can edit these however you want. Then we have the stock status. Basically everything is set up. Only the one that's not set up is the Google product category. We'll come to that. Let's see the other options we have. We have the stock status. So only the stocks that are available will be created in this feed. Then we have the product condition. It's mapped to the condition here and it's set as default. Then we have the product pricing. It's also the regular pricing. If you want, you can also add the sale price here. So basically, if you want to showcase the sale price to your TikTok ads customers, you can do that as well. So then we have the product URL. It's mapped to the product URL here. The main image is mapped to the featured image, and the manufacturer, the branding is mapped to the shop. Now, if you go ahead and edit the Google product category, you can do that from here. So here is the Google product category ID. If you want, you can select it. You have to edit the category mapping. From this category mapping option here, you can add the accessories to a specific Google merchant category, and that's how that works. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to create the product feed here to show you guys. So you can add new attributes from here. If you want, you can select, let's say, image, additional image URL. You have to select this as attribute, or you can select this as static, and then add the additional image link here. So I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish this. You can see that my feed has been generated, and if I select on download feed, it's going to download it. And if I want to see the view feed, and this is basically how my product feed look. You can also add custom filters from here. So the custom filter is basically, let's say your product title contains this value winter. Then you can include or exclude that specific products from your feed. So if you select include, then this product title winter will be included in your product feed. So let's update this and let's view this. You can see that the winter products has been added to my product feed. So that's how the custom filtering works. You can also add feed rules from here. Let's say your product title contains winter that I just shown you. Then you can change the product title to, let's say, product description. It's just an example. You can edit this. You can also keep it static and replace this to a specific title. And that's how easy it is to create a product feed for TikTok ads.